Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we compare products so you can spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, folks, we're talking about the unsung heroes of your gaming rig, the Thermaltake Smart 500W and the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W. It's a battle of wattage and efficiency. Who will reign supreme in the PSU showdown? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Thermaltake Smart 500W comes in at a wallet-friendly $44. Reviewers praise its affordability and reliability, making it a top choice for budget-conscious users. Meanwhile, the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W is priced at $59. While it's a bit more expensive, users highlight its exceptional performance and value for money, especially for mid to high-end builds. It's like the power supply saying, I can do more than just light your rig, I can also impress your friends. Now let's talk power output. The Thermaltake Smart delivers a respectable 500 watts, which reviewers appreciate for handling heavy gaming sessions without interruptions. However, the ARESGAME AGV boasts a whopping 650 watts. Users have noted that it can accommodate high power demands, making it ideal for more powerful setups. It's like that friend who shows up with a full tank and snacks, ready for anything. Moving on to efficiency, the Thermaltake is 80 PSUs certified, meaning it's efficient enough to save you some bucks on your electricity bill. Reviewers have noted its smooth current delivery even under high loads, like a power-saving ninja. But wait, the ARESGAME is 80+ bronze certified. Users love that it not only saves energy, but also provides excellent performance for demanding tasks, much like an older brother giving financial advice. Now, let's get serious and talk protection features. The Thermaltake comes equipped with overpower, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, which users appreciate for providing peace of mind. It's like having a security guard for your PC. But the ARESGAME doesn't hold back either. It has OVP, UVP, OPP, and SCP protections, which reviewers liken to a whole SWAT team guarding your gaming rig. Last but not least, cooling performance. The Thermaltake has a solid reputation, but the ARESGAME features a silent 120mm fan that reviewers claim cools like a cucumber in an ice bath. Users rave about its quiet operation during intense gaming sessions, making it the friend who keeps their cool while gaming. Overall, both products have their strengths and cater to different user needs. The Thermaltake Smart 500W is praised for its affordability and reliability, making it great for budget builds. Meanwhile, the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W stands out for its higher power output, efficiency, and cooling performance, making it ideal for more demanding setups. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the Thermaltake Smart 500W is your go-to. But if you want a bit more power, efficiency, and cooling prowess, the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W is the way to go. In the end, it all comes down to your needs. Will it be the trusty Thermaltake or the powerful ARESGAME? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more comparisons that'll help you buy smart. Until next time, keep those watts high and your spending low.